Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. In this spread, I will be using the Oregonian bundle, which is one of my older bundles that's available on Pixel Scrapper. I have a lot of photos of trees in this spread, so I immediately thought of this bundle, which has lots of some tree papers and some tree cards here, and some nice word art about being outside. So I thought I would use that here, especially on the right side there. The photos are all from the Japanese gardens in Portland, so it seemed like a good chance to use this Oregonian bundle. And so I've just been downloading different papers and cards that I thought would fit here in my background. And one thing, I don't know if the video does go by quite quickly, but if I'm looking in a large bundle like this, or just in general, if I'm searching around Pixel Scrapper, I will often use the dimensions filter down there at the bottom, just because the tags, if you're typing in like, oh, I want paper, you're still, you're relying on a person somewhere having remembered to tag paper. And obviously we do try to do that every time, but sometimes things slip through. So if you're looking through a bundle like this, it's pretty easy to just filter by things that are 12 by 12 if you're looking for papers, or if I'm looking for a pocket card to fill in, I can filter by 3 by 4 or 4 by 6, depending on what kind of space I'm trying to fill. So that's just a quick and easy way to filter down to the kind of size that you need. And then you're not necessarily relying on human error or the lack of human error to hope that everything has been tagged correctly, because the sizes are determined by the computer, and the computer usually gets it right. So a good little tip for you there. I'm sorry, I'm feeling a bit out of breath at the moment. You'd think I was running around instead of just sitting in my chair and talking, but that is one of the hazards of being pregnant and trying to record these videos. So please bear with me while I try to huff and puff my way through this video. So while I've been talking here about all the filters, I have started in on including the elements here, and there's a lot of fun little word labels in here that I've included. And now I'll just fill in the rest of the spaces with some fun elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.